It's Sunday, so that means that it's time for another featured creature. There's no shortage of animals at the Tennessee Aquarium. Today, photojournalist Dakota Casteel introduces us to an animal that doubles in size for protection.
On this week's featured creature, we check out a fish that has the ability to blow itself up to protect itself in the wild.
So these guys are called the giant freshwater pufferfish, and that's because they are the largest variety of freshwater puffer. And they can get to be over 2 feet in length. For comparison, a lot of freshwater puffers are a lot smaller. For example, a pea puffer is only about 2 or 3 inches. These guys are a puffer that's found widely distributed in Africa and also in Lake Tanganyika, which is what this exhibit features.
So is it true that pufferfish have that ability to blow themselves up?
Puffers are able to puff themselves up as kind of a defense mechanism. And what they do is suck a bunch of water into actually a part of their stomach, and that inflates their bodies. And what that does is that makes them look big and scary to predators that would be about their size, or if the predator is much larger than the puffer, might possibly make them unable to actually eat the puffer.
I've noticed this guy has some gnarly looking teeth. What are some of the things that he's able to eat with those?
These guys eat things in the wild like crustaceans and mollusks. They can also eat small fish, and they're able to eat these hard-shelled items or hard-bodied items because they have 4 teeth that kind of work like a beak, that they're actually able to crush the hard bodies of those animals.
It looks like he's been able to move those eyes around a lot. Is that like a specific adaptation that he has?
If you've ever seen a chameleon or a seahorse that can actually move their eyes independently, these guys are capable of this as well. It kind of gives them a goofy, kind of dopey look, but it does give them a really good view so they can look all around them to check for food or predators or anything they might need to watch out for in the wild.
Let's talk about that color. Why does it stand out so much?
So these guys have a really intricate pattern on them, and it kind of does act as camouflage. In some puffers, those intricate patterns are kind of a warning to tell predators that they are poisonous or toxic.
Some species of pufferfish are considered a delicacy when eaten, but they contain a poison that can be harmful when ingested. For this week's featured creature, I'm Dakota Casteel.
To see this story again or any of our other featured creatures segments, go to our website at newschannel9.com.